Hi guys, as you can see that on the last video I have talked about that you should install on your mobile device and then check it. As you can see right now I restarted again, and as you can see this is the design. So in the last video I also told you that you should use AI tools to create prompt and then try to use it. Okay, so here you can see that I told that I have website and I want to create an application. So it just give me the prompt. Okay, you see this is a prompt that it write all the things like a date of birth, install edge display, all that. Okay, but I also told that I want user can put their name, gender, both of them, and the inside shown female and male. I want accurate as gender. Okay, so here again it made some changes. As you can see that prompt like a user input, name optional, gender, date of birth, again the main age calculation the same, heartbeat. Okay, user interface like this. Integration, you see Firebase integration, there's a use Firebase authentication option while login by Google. Store user name, gender, date of birth inside a cloud Firestore. Enable file dynastic tracking and hosting real-time base. I don't know what it does. I just told I written that, so I don't have any idea about that. And the extra you can see that share my age, reset and save button, option integrate AdMob. AdMob is another AdSense product where you can just like AdSense, it's a platform like AdMob, so you can have the ad from there and you can have it on your application and you can get money through that. So it read the code. Okay, but I told that inside I also want that how much per population like this we create. So it also made some changes, and you can see that live insights, environmental, design, integration, they all stay same, just a new environmental impact that's added. So I would tell you that if you are using Firebase Studio, then I will tell you that first you use with the prompt, because if you go with the prompt then you can get more clear idea. If you don't have an idea about it, so if you can just use another tool like I use like Perplexity AI. I use for researchers that if what thing I need to have it, like if you don't have an idea you can just research it and then think whatever you need and then write it down and have the prompt. So you can just research like I want to create an age calculator, and I want to know more about human, how much they impact the world. Okay, and life insights insights. So you see that whatever I wrote, it is not accurate, and that's why I told you that when you are just searching anything in AI you need to know about prompt, because if you know what truly you want or know, if you know that, then it's much easier, and I'm not clear about what I really want, and that's why I written this. If I'm clear about it, then it is much easier. So I will tell you that just think before when you're making it, so in that way it can save a lot of your time. Like if you think truly that what you want, what kind of app you want, and if you don't have information about it, knowledge, then use this tool to gain the knowledge and write exactly what truly you want. One, just take a notebook and then pen and write it down every single thing that you want in your app. Okay, after then you can use ChatGPT or any other AI tools to create the prompt, and make sure read all that what you need is there or not. If you seen that everything that you want you have it there, then just copy the prompt. Like here I will just copy the prompt. Okay, I will just here back down, so I will just copy it. Okay, here everything is that I need. I'll just copy. As you can see that it did research. Okay, and I will just go here, as I told you last time, you just go here and put that. Okay, I know that already I have made all the many changes, but I want like everything happens from start. If you want to just add it, then you don't have to write all the things because it already created that. But you can also do that because it is not time consuming and you don't need to know about that what I added or not. Just copy paste. But I will tell you that when you're starting, just beforehand, just write it every single thing and then put it. If you do that, then you can save a lot of time of yours. Even in a couple of hours of work you save because of that thing. So do that way. Use one or two AI tools for writing the prompt, gaining the knowledge and ideas. Like you see that how much knowledge I get. It's saying that how much impact, consumption, and all the things. Like you see that breathing, walking, energy, all that. So if you don't have knowledge, just do it again and again, write it down, and you get that accurate information. Because the problem happens when you don't know truly what you want, and that's why you can't get it. You are more focused about what you want, and so you can get the answer. If you don't have a knowledge about it, just use AI tools for that, and it gives you that. Then create the prompt, just I did. You can just create the prompt, whatever you want, just add it there, and then use this. Just put it there, and it will just ask you for just click update, and it will build app for you. So we have to just wait for a few seconds, and it will do all the work. And one more thing, that the last time as I told you that I'm gonna install Android Studio and check that how it's working or not. Okay, click create file. So the last time when I installed Android file, there also in the SDK I found the problem in my laptop is not working well. So I'm not sure that it's a problem with Android Studio or something else. But if you're having this kind of problem on your devices, click update. Then I believe it will solve itself after a couple of you just need to delete this file. Click delete. Okay, so click run the command. So as I was saying that it will resolve itself. If you're having this problem, don't worry about it. Just build APK and just test it on your phone. You see there's some problem like grant access to Google Cloud resources. Only proceed if you trust this works with an thread. The code workers. Allow this works. I don't know about this much, but just for right now, should I give or not? Just try out. Let's see what happens. So it's asking for account. Okay. This is my project where I'm working on, and right now I don't want to do anything that I regret it. What is here? Let me see. Just confirm it. Let's see what happens. I don't want to pay for anything that I don't understand. And as I know that Google Cloud, where you can host your stuffs, and for that they charge you. And I'm hosting my websites there. You see my project you have seen there. There's a few static websites that I'm running. I run that on Terminal. But I just hope that they are not using too much of the things so that I don't have to pay extra money for that. I don't know what truly happening. I don't know anything about it. So that's why I'm worried about. But let's see. I will check out what happens. Okay. I knew that when that Firebase integration there is written like putting all the username, all the bases. I knew that where they're gonna install it. I thought they're gonna save their data to their own mobile devices, but it is in Google and it's a cloud service, so that for that I have to pay. But I don't know how and how much. So let's see. So as you can see, that's running the command. It will take some time, and just wait for seconds. So as I told you before, if you don't have knowledge about it, use AI tools. You can use whatever you like, but gain more knowledge about it, what truly you want, and then write it down every single thing. Then create the prompt. After having the prompt, just paste it and it will do the work. So this is the best way I can think of, that if you want to build an app where you don't know anything about making applications. Yeah, there's a few issues like Google Cloud and other things. You don't know anything about it, you just try it and see that what happens. And if you can, I will tell you that beforehand, just see some videos, understand what is really going on, and then try to do it. So as you can see, taking a lot of time, and I don't know what really happening. Let's see what is this. Okay, debug console, terminal. So here you can see that studio, Firebase, get a new project. For some reason I believe it's happening on Google Cloud. Not really sure about it. After closing this application, I will check it out what really happened or not, and also see that how the application I made is working. And if I don't have to pay extra money, it's not too much, then I will let that be. But Google service, there are some services, they are really expensive, because I don't need that, and I don't understand what is really going on, so I'm a little bit worried about. So just see in the web. Okay, taking too much time. It never taken that much of time until now. So wait. Okay, I'm also really curious about what's really happening, and I don't really like waiting. Okay, as you can see that here the same design. Here as you can see, there's a lib library, I believe. Tests. Okay, web. As for the web, I understand it's HTML. Okay, icons and manifest.js. I'm curious about one thing. What will happen if I copy the web and run somewhere? Would it work like it's working here? I know the normal web pages are like, if I am using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, then it will run. But it's a manifest JSON, and I never worked on it, so I don't know anything about this. If you know anything about that, please comment it, and so I can understand it, or I will just go and watch some video. It would really helpful for me. So let's see what is here. So here the changes, and I don't understand what is there, so I would not do anything here. Okay, now this one is like a variable watch, no idea. Here as you can see that it is like some kind of extension. So Flutter is dark code and dot, then is a testing. Okay, this one is your Flutter sidebar. There's nothing right now, and this is Flutter proprietor, nothing here, and this is Flutter dev tool inspector. Inspector. My pronunciation is really bad, so I hope you can understand that. So you can see here that it is for a long time just doing this. I don't understand is it normal or not. Okay, so command running detach. Here I'm just saying this, nothing happening, and here I'm not getting anything that I want. As you can see here, it's saying these things, Flutter AI. Okay, so from here I can choose the devices. Okay, you can see here there's a 2 SDK and there's a 1 web server. From here you can check a lot of things like Flutter inspector, performance, memory, logging, app size, duty files, network. Let's go to performance. Let's see what is showing. Okay, As you see here, it's still running and I don't know how much time it will take. And the performance, I'm not saying anything, just waiting for. So it's saying that you are running your app in a debug mode. Okay, just so I'm not understanding anything. Reveal time event. Okay, so let us I didn't get it. Okay, let's with that Flutter inspector, what it will do. So current performance, as you can see that it's still in the command, it is running. What is the bash? Nothing happens. As you can see here in a Flutter, it's like some kind of like tree. It telling that like a ways icon size and like all that. So the root here, so guys, it's taking a long time and I don't understand what is really happening that it's taking a long time. So just wait and let me see that what is going on. Okay, reload again. So again you can see that here it's like a padding, like a similar to like a web page, single view column, and the text discover your life. As you can see here, I believe this one, and the size box discover life. I want to know that if I can change it from here anything or not. I believe I can't change it. Let me check. No, I can only see from here or not change from here. And you can see there's another option like a flex explorer. Click here. So again okay, no idea what is recording. I'm not understanding anything here, so let it be. Okay, I will just click here and not like that. Okay, cut it. Column, nothing happens. Discover nothing. Expand, so nothing happens again. As you can see that I don't understand, and I believe you need some time. After that you can figure out what is going on here, so you can check it later on if you want. For right now, as you can say that our project is create new project. Okay, so I believe the reason why it happened because of this one, Firebase integration. It's a Google's optional login. Okay, they can store your name, gender, date of birth, calculate insights, and the last videos. And lastly, like track users and engagement, add more optional for monetization. So I would not try to remove this because I really want to see that how it gonna work. But I don't really like waiting. That is a problem, and I'm not really sure that even it's happening anything or not, or just gonna reload all the time. So I will be waiting for that, and when I will just record again. So for right now, that is all. Bye for now.